Good morning one and all, this is Ansha Das here. Today we are going to discuss about conjunctions. Conjunctions plays a very important and very minute role in our life, but yet they are very important for our common conversations in our daily life. I am clearly telling you that they are very useful for the common conversations itself. Common conversations that may be between our friends, or that may be between a student and a teacher, or that may be between a father or a daughter, but yet communication is very important for nowadays. Mainly in these pandemic situations, everything we are going to start through and formal line in the sense everything is going to be done only through the words. If at all we take an explanation of an online classes, everyone will be having a kid or a neighbor kid or one of your friend kid. Everyone will be giving us only one information, that online class and online class. Online classes are being successful nowadays too. Why? Because only with the support of the strong communication skills. Nowadays, communication skills are being playing a main role in our career. And everyone is having a dream to have a successful career. That may be a kid or that may be a professor. Everyone will have to have a dream of making their life and goals successful and easier. But I am making you sure that having a successful career or successful professional life or successful family life, we need to have a strong communication skills where we are going to give them a very clear information regarding our thoughts or our decisions or whatever. Okay, for making our life successful, in our first step, what is the first step of our life? Communications are related to the language. That may be a language of a mother tongue, that may be a language related to your own community. But yet we are in need of having a very clear and strong and simple way to converse with the people. Okay, and now I will give you a clear explanation how these communication skills are very important and how our chosen topic conjunctions are helpful for our communication. Okay, and if at all we go forward with an example like and, we are taking a first example and. Conjunctions are nothing but they are the binding blocks of two different statements. Why am I saying that binding blocks? Binding blocks are nothing but a binding block will make a path easier. Okay, so let us check it out how it is been relating to this particular two different statements. If at all we go with the first example like they worked hard is the first statement. I'm specifically telling you that statement means it may be true or it may not be true. That may be true or that may be false. Now if same example what we have been chosen, if at all we take forward like they worked hard. Now we are not sure and we don't have an eyewitness that whether they worked hard or not. That's why we are calling it as a statement, where we are not having a eyewitness but yet stated out of that may be out of the thought or that may be out of a situation. Okay, and the second statement what we have been chosen is like won the match, and we are not sure that whether they had won the match or that was just a gossip or that may be out just from a rumor also. That's why, but yet these two statements have been given a single statement mode. How it has been made possible? With the help of these conjunctions only. And how come our example and is making these two statements as a single and exact correlating statement? Okay, let us check it out. They worked hard and won the match. Now here the two different statement what we have been chosen and been made into a single statement like they worked hard and won the match. These two are statements itself but made into a single statement. I am calling it as a statement because we are not having an eyewitness whether they have worked hard or whether they have been working for that and won the match also. Okay, so let us move forward with taking another example so that we could have a different modes which could attach to our daily lives. Okay, and the second one we are going to choose is the such as. Everyone will be having a doubt where they have to use this particular typical word such as. Such as can be used in a number of ways, but a thing is that it only depends upon the situation. The statement only reveals out whether the usage is in correct mode or an incorrect mode. Okay, so if at all we see that she acted is a statement. It is a statement. Why? Because we don't have a clear idea whether she has acted or not, but it is a statement. And the second one is like a notorious criminal. A notorious criminal is nothing but a person who is having a harmful ideology, harmful mannerism for others. Okay, so how come this such as a word, such as our chosen example is binding these two different statements? She acted such as a notorious criminal. So here we have been telling you that two different statements, like she acted such as a notorious criminal. Okay, and if at all we go forward with another example, we have been chosen like nor. Here you have to focus on nor is a different word, and usually we will find it all the time correlated with either. If at all we go with the statements in any of the English book, whatever you refer, we can find the correlated word either or, neither nor. But it is not compulsory that both should exist at a time. I already told you that everything depends upon the statement what we are going to choose. Here also, nor we have been chosen to give a different explanation, just like if at all we check it out with a statement like you have to work hard. It is a statement. It is not necessary that you have to work hard. Why? Because nowadays people without working hard, with a very smart way, they are reaching their goals. That is also a kind of smart work. Okay, and if at all we go with the second statement like you will be ashamed. Now it is not compulsory that if at all you are not going to work hard, you will be ashamed. Why? Because few people without working hard with a smart ways or with an innovative ways, without taking much risk, they are reaching their goals. That is making them heroes today. So this is a statement. I already stated to that two different statements getting binded into a single statement, and our chosen example nor, how it is making these two different statements into a different way. Let us check it out. Just like you have to work hard or you will be ashamed. So here we are using nor with relation to the present situation. Present situation, we are only stating that you have to work hard, nor you will be ashamed. Okay, and if at all we go forward with another example, we are choosing or. Now here you have to seize your IQ levels. What is this nor and or, beside and beside? How could we give a differentiation between these two words which are sounding the same or seem to be same or sometimes used to be confused? But yet I'll give you a clear explanation. Nor will give us a related result. Related in the sense the first statement will be linked till the end to the second statement. But or is not like that. Or will provide us two different options with a clarity, and it will also help us to choose only one. Sometimes it will help us to choose both. That depends upon us. Okay, so here I am telling you clearly that or will clearly give us two different ideas, two different ways or two different options where we can choose only one for our existence. Okay, so how it is done? So let us go with an example like you can add a lipstick or a liner. So here two different options, as I mentioned you, two different options, like a lipstick is there and a liner is there. So here it is telling that it is an interesting topic because it is a generalized and personalized expression, that beautification. Generally, if at all we want to mention it, like it is nothing but about the beautification. Just like you can add a lipstick or a liner. If at all you are going to add lipstick, you should avoid liner, and if at all you want to add liner, you can avoid lipstick also. but sometimes few people will be adding both of the things. That is another case, but according to our example, we have been made a complete utilization of this or in a very clear manner and a very simple manner, that whether if at all you want to go with the lipstick, you can avoid the liner, and if at all you want to go with the liner, you can avoid the lipstick. Okay, and next, if at all we go forward with our example, like Rishi hates to lose is a statement, worked on it is an other statement. But what is the conjunction which is going to bond these two into a single statement stands with the main question here. I will give you an explanation, like Rishi hates to lose, so he worked on it. So here we are giving a clear explanation, like Rishi hates to lose. We are not having a clear idea and we are not a friends to Rishi, but we are only stating that Rishi hates to lose. So he worked on it. So it is nothing but he worked on it or not, it is different. Whether he has taken the help of some other person is a different, but the only statement which is out giving about his caliber is this statement. But this statement, these two different statements which have been bounded with a single example is like so. Here, as we have been done with this, Rishi hates to lose, so worked on it. So these are nothing but these small words which are seeming to be very small. Almost all we have been going with the 5 examples, but yet they are useful in our daily life. And of course, it also depends upon the tenses. That may be a present tense, or that may be a past tense, or that may be a future tense. But everything is related upon the statements what we are facing it out. Okay. All these details will be coming in the next upcoming classes. Till then, stay home, stay safe, have a good day. Thank you, one and all.